Why do 70% of property owners choose R-32 PTAC units for their spaces? Let's find out. First things first, what is an R-32 PTAC unit? PTAC stands for Packaged Terminal Air Conditioner. These are self-contained heating and cooling systems, perfect for places like hotels, apartments, and offices. Unlike bulky central HVAC systems, PTAC units fit right into your wall, giving you room-by-room temperature control. Now let's talk about why R-32 refrigerant is the star of the show. R-32 is more energy efficient and environmentally friendly compared to the older R-410A. This means you get superior cooling while saving on your energy bills. Win-win, right? R-32 has a lower global warming potential, or GWP. Simply put, it's better for the planet, helping you stay green and comply with new climate regulations, and the benefits don't stop there. These units also have energy-saving features like programmable thermostats and variable speed fans. Less power used means more money saved on electricity. Who doesn't want that? Plus, R-32 PTAC units are built to last. They require less maintenance, which means fewer headaches and lower long-term costs for you. And let's not forget about better indoor air quality. Many models come with advanced filters to keep allergens and dust at bay. So if you're a property owner looking to upgrade, R-32 PTAC units are the way to go. Efficient, eco-friendly, and cost-saving, what's not to love? Thanks for watching, and happy upgrading.